Hello, collective. Welcome. I hope the new year has been great to you thus far. And if not, you have released what no longer serves you. There will be multiple scenarios that will come out in a collective reading. Could be connected to someone to you, like their life and what they're dealing with, or something that you've already experienced as well. Let's see. Thank you for your support in whichever way you choose to do that. Angel, spirit guides, ancestors, what does the collective need to know? Anything you need to know about me is down below. What's the tea? What is currently going on in the energy of the collective, please? We got spontaneous headed towards you. This is someone following an impulse. Could be a fire sign energy. Someone wants to see you, text you on a whim. Let's see. And they're not sure which way it will go. I was just getting ready to say they're not sure which way it will go. It says gamble, about to take a risk to see you. So I feel like with this headed towards you, about to take a risk to see you, someone could be definitely worried about your reaction. Y'all could have experienced some things. They could have said some things in any distant energy between the two of you. They could have caused a rift. Okay. Interesting. Now the gamble could also be that they're involved spontaneously. They want to see you come experience your energy for the collective. We got the great pretender, acts uninterested but stalks you. This is someone watching you from afar. If you're not on social media, this is someone that knows where you are. Okay. And this could be you doing this as well. Someone that has caught your eye. Some of you are dealing with a Scorpio, just because the butterfly is the energy of transformation. Or this could be a Scorpio placement that has them acting this way. Let's see. What else for the collective? We got random person or situation could have popped up. Or this is somebody spontaneously at random is going to pop up where you are back in your life. It says person or situation. Now, for some of you, something could have happened between the two of you that caused them to go their own way. Like, could be finance with situation, could be job, could be a move, could be another person, could have got caught with this gamble, risk to see you energy. Wow, resurfacing, reappearing after a period of hiding. Someone could have ghosted you as well. What else for the collective? Some of you have communication coming in with this guy with this phone in his hand and my other phone lighting up. So, what else? Spirit for the collective. Cover up trying to prevent the truth from coming out. Spell over. Somebody could do a spell over somebody. Fell over that spontaneous energy. There's some kind of secrets, even though they're headed your way, that they're not ready to talk about. Could be involved with another. For some of you, you know your situation better than I do. Let's see. Just giving y'all scenarios. Bragging, telling other people about you. Some of you have publicly made something known about y'all's connection. They could be bragging to other people how they feel about you. Friendship circle, they're talking to other people about you. They could be highlighting you. Now, some of you, this could be gossip. Let's see. What else for the collective? Other people are definitely involved, and there it is. I said spell, conspiracy, other people plotting to keep you apart. Now, this is going to go two ways. For some of you, whoever they're discussing y'all's connection with, they're not getting the best advice from them. That person is purposely sabotaging this person's thoughts and actions towards you. Now, for some of you, this is flat out spell work, because something could have been made known or public. You could have shared your relationship or even hinted that you had something new going on, and someone did a spell, like I said, over this person. What else, Spirit? And then reboot, but there's getting ready to be a restart. Wants to leave the past behind and start fresh. So the spell could have broken, or this person's following their own mind. Spontaneous headed towards you. Unsure communication not clear. They don't know what to say though. Or this is you. Or they don't know how you feel. Or you're not speaking the way that you used to. Or you could have blocked them, or they blocked you. I feel like they don't know what to say. What's underneath that? Playroom, hidden sexual secrets, reorganizing priorities, preparing. This person is making preparations to come towards you, but they're nervous. Okay, and a maze looking even better in person than the last time. Some of you have recently started posting, or you did something different to yourself. Let's clarify. What is this energy, angel, spirit guides, ancestors, for the collective at this time? heading your way for a reset. It is the beginning of the year. New year, new them, huh? What's spontaneous? Interesting. Knight of Pentacles. So someone is definitely headed your way. Just period. For a solid offer. They want to be more consistent. They want to be in your energy a little bit more than they have been. Interesting. Once they get there, they are, I want to say, dedicated to the connection, because the Knight of Pentacles is a very slow and steady, gradual energy. Or this is you. You're wanting to pursue someone, put your best foot forward, give to this connection, see where it goes. The Knight of Pentacles is giving see where it goes. For some of you, you could have gotten bored with this person, or they did with you because you weren't doing anything, or it was just more laid back. Someone's very earthy with this Knight of Pentacles. Someone's coming towards you with a solid offer, though, no matter how slow it is. Could have been wishy-washy. Y'all known each other for a while. Y'all got some history. 7 of Pentacles. There's already embedded, implanted energy with you and them. What's this gamble for the collective? Could be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Gamble sideways, Magician and the Chariot. Both are major arcana, but speaks of intention, will, drive, creation, success, getting something done. Cancer, Virgo, Gemini, if I didn't say it. So I feel someone wants to create, start, do something with you, but they're not sure how to go about it. Gamble. Oh my gosh, that's cute. So could be a matter of intentions. They need to learn their own intentions. Or this is you. Yeah, something's burdensome. This is really weighing on them. What's this great pretender? Acts uninterested but stalks you. Eight of Wands. Online. For some of you, someone's definitely watching you online. They want to communicate with you. They see you online, though. They see you prevailing, achieving, succeeding, moving forward, growing, growth and momentum. They see you. Rising star. All right. Some of you are working so hard on yourself. Some of you, this is you watching someone online that you want to go towards. Flip it and switch it. If it's not online, that part is not for you. But more than anything, I feel that someone wants to come towards you. They've been eyeing you, or even old pictures they could have. Something is pulling this person in your direction. Could be a strong soulmate or twin flame. What's this random? Spirit. Random for the collective. King of Swords. Someone's ex popped up. Yours could have popped up, or theirs did. This could also be at random. This person went cold on you. So this could be clarity, so you know who this is. Very guarded. Some of you decided to shut down and withdraw and pull back from someone here as well, abruptly out of nowhere. You stopped giving. There was an emotional detachment, or you started thinking head over heart, or this person needs to get a divorce, or they decided randomly they wanted a divorce or break up with you. Someone's stepfather popped up as well, meaning, let's say there was a blended family of some sort. The person that was pretending or portraying, I said pretending because someone did just abruptly leave, and that's not stability. But playing the role of someone's child's father, I feel like they could want their family back randomly. That's for somebody here specifically. But for the rest of you, someone decided to shut down on you, or start thinking head over heart, or focus more on a relationship that they're in, even though there's some kind of emotional detachment from whoever they're with. For any third party people, cover up. Some of you are in a relationship where you have no emotional ties, especially for you men, to whoever you're with. But for some reason, you need this person. Maybe y'all stay together. Cover up. Queen of Wands. Someone's cheating, or they want to keep you in this cheating position, or this is you. You have a mistress that you want to go towards, that you ghosted. Hermit to the Page of Cups. Knight of Cups. Someone's following their heart. There could have been a betrayal to the Empress. Eight of Cups. Someone ghosted, abandoned, neglected. you. For you women, or for you men, this is you. There was a choice between two. Could have been a twin flame for some of you. Again, I repeat, someone wants to keep this Queen of Wands position in a third-party situation. They want it to stay the same. Now, for some of you, they don't want to talk about what y'all experienced when you were a mistress or a third party for you feminine energies. For some of you, someone's hiding how they feel, how drawn they feel to this particular person. Could be you. It's a cover-up, even though they already have something else going on. Bragging for the collective. I don't like that wishy-washy energy. I feel like someone's getting advice from somebody who they should give an offer to. There's a whole lot of childish energy, though. Page of Cups to the Page of Pentacles. Someone has children outside of their household. King of Pentacles, King of Swords, High Priestess. There's a love child, too. Someone wants a DNA test. Someone's trying to figure out what they want in sexuality. Nine of Cups to the High Priestess. Knight of Cups. That's for somebody too. I feel like someone had a kid the same time they were having a kid. Page of Pentacles to the Page of Cups. Wheel of Fortune in the middle with someone else. It's like they had two babies born at the same time. Two of Pentacles, bragging, pages and pages. King of Pentacles. He's in a household with someone else with repressed emotions for another. Just period. Trey Songz on the TV, come chill. He's a Sagittarius, could be relevant. What's conspiracy? Capricorn, Two of Pentacles, conspiracy. Someone went back and forth about whether or not they should come towards you. They were getting advice from others, or they were in out of your life, or they were juggling you and they bragged about it. They told their friends and family, yeah, I got two bitches. Yeah, I got two dudes. What's this conspiracy? I don't want to piss nobody off. Sun to the World. Someone brought someone's happiness to a close, or had them close out a cycle, or someone manipulated this person to close out a cycle of something that made them happy, fulfilled. Or when someone found out, Sun being enlightenment, they got in the way, or they decided they wanted their family back. Yeah, when someone found out that your person was moving on, or that you were moving on in another direction to be happy, they decided that they wanted their family back, and a baby could have came out of it too. What's this conspiracy? It was somebody's plotting. Someone plotted to get pregnant. The world could be a full-term pregnancy, like a full cycle, fulfillment, achievement, successful pregnancy, Sun to the World. But with the combination. What's the Sun? Leo energy. And the world has a lion, all the fixed signs, Aquarius, Taurus, Scorpio, and Leo. What's this conspiracy about? Tower, something ending. Someone impulsively could have came in at random to throw sex at somebody. Some kind of seduction, which will be, for some of you, an intent for a love spell. Other people plotting to keep you apart. Tower, World. Someone caused an ending behind the scenes by whatever way that they did that. Manipulation or spell work manipulation. But what's Reboot? Ten of Swords. Whatever ended, that's blunt. It's all 10-10. Wow, if this person hurts you, they want to right their wrongs. You're their emotional fulfillment. Gemini and Pisces energy. But let's get another for Reboot. You're their happiness. Reboot, or they're yours. Some of you have found new love. High Priestess. What else? Someone's following their intuition. Could be a divine counterpart. Someone has been repressing how they feel about you. Nine of Swords. They feel guilty. Anxiety. Can't sleep without you. One more. What's getting started over? What will be reset or restart? This King of Cups has a lot of love and emotions to express. Facts. Ace of Swords. This King of Cups has something to say. Ace of Swords. So this emotional expression, they're guided to come towards you for a transformation because they're feeling very wounded and they're missing you sexually. They're sending you sexual attention. Right now they're at a stalemate with whoever they're with. King of Cups to the Queen of Cups. or this is your soulmate and they're needing to take action to come towards you. They've been planning to do so. Two of Wands. There's another woman, Queen of Pentacles, in the mix though, but this is someone's twin, with the King of Wands to the Queen of Wands, Sun to the Moon, right there, a twin flame, wanting to take accountability and make it right. But for some of you, they have to get a divorce, or there are legal matters to consider, splitting of assets, child support. But more than anything, this King of Cups has an emotional expression as a means to transform something between the two of you, or this is you.